What happens during a bail hearing? Imagine being in a courtroom where a decision is about to be made that could change someone's life. That's what a bail hearing is all about. It's a key step in the process that decides if a person who has been arrested can go free before their trial. The judge's main job is to figure out if the person will come back to court and if they might pose any danger to the community. The hearing kicks off with the judge telling the defendant what they are accused of. Then, the judge looks at different factors to make a decision. They consider how serious the alleged crime was, whether the person has a criminal record, and if they have a history of showing up for court dates. The judge also thinks about whether the person might run away to avoid trial or if they could be a threat to others. If the judge decides to set bail, they choose the lowest amount that will make sure the person appears in court. Bail can be paid in cash, with property, or through other conditions. For example, the judge might requiring the person to stay away from certain places or to check in regularly with authorities. Sometimes, if the person is considered a big risk or dangerous, the judge might deny bail altogether. That means the person stays in jail until their trial. In some cases, the judge might releases the person without bail. This is called releasing them on their own recognizance. It means the judge trusts that the person will return for court without needing money or property as a guarantee. During the hearing, the defendant or their lawyer can ask for lower bail or fewer restrictions. The prosecution can argue for higher bail or detention if they believe it's necessary for safety or to prevent flight. Once the judge makes a decision, the defendant is told how much bail is needed and what conditions are attached. If the bail is paid or the conditions are met, the person can be released until their trial. If bail is denied or can't be paid, they stay in jail. In federal cases, bail hearings follow specific rules that requiring the judge to find the least restrictive way to ensure the person will come back to court and keep the community safe. The judge has to balance the person's rights with public safety. Overall, a bail hearing is a vital part of the pretrial process. It decides if someone remains in jail or is released while waiting for their trial. This decision affects their ability to prepare their case and stay stable during the legal process.